Alright, we're in the barn tonight. I'm gonna do some cooking on the wood stove. So this past weekend was youth gun season, and my daughter got her first deer. Everybody's happy, everybody's proud of her. We're gonna do something that I've never done before. We're gonna cook the heart. We'll see how it turns out. Alright, so here's our heart. We'll start by cutting these valves off. Get rid of this. I'll slice this in about 1/2 inch thick slices. Check these and see if there's any part of the inside of the valve left. I don't know if this piece here is. Trim this fat off of it. And maybe we'll just get this piece. So here's our seasoning we're using. Bearded Butcher's Original. The Bearded Butcher's made a video cooking a deer heart. They use their black seasoning. Don't have any of that. Everybody here likes the original. So we're gonna go with that. So back here in this other pot back here that's simmering right now is just some trim from the deer. The liver's in there. None of us like deer liver, and we cut it up, cook it down, and we'll give this to our hunting dogs. This is really good for the dogs. We'll save the broth. We'll pour the broth over their dry food, and then a lot of this will probably get frozen bags, and we'll give it to them here and there. It's really good for them when the temperatures really drop. This is good for them. So we'll just let this cook down, and then we'll bag it up. And like I said, the broth will get poured over their dry food. So I got some butter melting down here in this skillet. Get it melted down. Get the temperature up a little bit, and then we'll add in our pieces. All right, this butter's going pretty good. I'm gonna start adding in our pieces of heart. All right, I just took it all off the stove. This portion over here, this is our heart portion back here. This side over here is that inner loin. I'm gonna try this. It's still hot. I just took it off. I'm gonna try this heart. This is my first time trying this. I've never had it before. It's not bad. I'm gonna say it's kind of like kind of reminds me of almost like a liver texture. It's really dense. Try a piece of this inner loin piece. I use the same Bearded Butcher's original seasoning on this too. I think I like that a lot better than the heart piece. Well, here's kind of that's the heart. Guess we'll see if we can get the kids to eat it, see what they like. It's not bad. All right, I'm back in the barn. I took the heart down to the house and took a little convincing to get the kids to try it, but once they did, I think it was a hit. They're not as easy as what they used to be. When they was little, if they seen me eat something, they would just eat it, and they liked it. But nowadays they take a little convincing, but most of the time they like it after they try it. So I think it was a hit. It's better than a liver. I don't, like I said, we're not big liver people. I like chicken liver. Not a big fan of beef liver. The kids are the same way. The kids, you cook up chicken liver and they'll tear it up, but not so much with beef liver. So I'm back up here, just waiting on this to keep simmering down, get it put away, and I think that'll be it for this video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.